Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the new Viu Cinema Action TVs launched in India. So Viu has been one brand which has really great 4K Ultra HD TVs, and last year in 2020 we had unboxed a few of them. They were literally segment leader in terms of the experience, the picture quality. Everything was really spot on the Viu Cinema TVs. Now we have the new Viu Cinema Action TVs launched in 2021, their first product in 2021. These TVs have again the 4K Ultra HD experience, and I've used all the great experience combined. Those things are included. Apart from that, you also get up to 6 JBL speakers which powers up to 100 watt in terms of sound experience. So that has been one of the highlights of this Viu Cinema Action TVs. Now it comes in two screen sizes, 55 inch and 65 inch. So we're gonna do the unboxing of the 65 inch massive 4K Ultra HD TV, and then we'll also talk about our experience using this TV. So Viu has been one of the brand which has some really great 4K Ultra HD TVs. So that's what we are going to look in this TV as well. So with a great speaker system and a great picture quality, this should be also a great experience. So let's find out. So first let's do the unboxing, then we'll talk about the features it offers, the sound experience, the picture quality, and our overall impressions of this new Cinema Action TVs from Viu. So let's get started. So before going that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get started. So before going into the unboxing, let's first have a look at the highlighting features of the Viu Cinema Action TV series. The top features include Pixelium technology, 500 nits of brightness, MEMC technology, we'll come back to that in a while, 100 watts soundbar, 6 built-in JBL speakers, 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, and 2 GB RAM, 16 GB internal storage, and 4K Ultra HD panel being used. So that was the highlighting features of the new Viu Cinema Action TV. So now let's get started with the unboxing. So inside the box you get this table mount stand, which actually feels really nice in terms of the finish being offered. You also get the screws for the mounting, then you get the remote, the standard remote with all the keys included, then you have the manual and warranty information and the quick setup guide included, and you also get a wall mount which is seldom found on any TVs. So here you don't have to invest on additional wall mounts. So once you are done with the setup, you can see that this is the home screen, this is Android 9 and the stock Android experience. Setting up the TV is very simple process. You can just follow the instructions on screen, and once you're done with that, you get all the pre-installed apps like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, and you can also install apps from the Play Store. Now in terms of design and looks, let's first have a look at the design aspect. Now the Viu 4K Ultra HD Cinema Action TV series comes with a really futuristic design. Now unlike previous Viu devices, now this has a completely new attire. This comes in titanium grey accents, a bezel-less frame, and a fabric finish at the bottom, and this replaces the black and gold aesthetics of its predecessor, and it actually looks really nice. The Viu logo, the DTS experience, and this is actually a soundbar which has 6 JBL speakers finished in a really good layout, and the overall fit and finish and the build quality also looks really stellar, and the fit and finish and the material used is again premium. So not just about the pictures and the sound experience, the design aspect is also really impressive on the Viu Cinema TV. So next let's talk about the ports included. So you get an antenna port, 3 HDMI port, one of which is ARC supported, then the digital audio output port, and 2 USB ports are included, and on the back you also get the audio AV in port and the headphone, and also LAN port is included. So it's well equipped in terms of the ports and connectivity. So this is the main interface of the VU 4K Ultra HD TV. It's running on Android 9, and if you look at the main screen, you can see that you can do a bit of customization here. Basic apps are installed. You can actually customize the home screen like any Android TV. You also get the basic apps installed for your OTT platform. So if you want more apps, you can just go ahead and add the apps to the home screen. So basically you can also install apps from the Play Store. So Play Store is something where you can download tons of apps. You can see that there are a variety of apps to choose, if it is online streaming, sports, movies, news, a variety of categories are included. You can see that you can choose from different apps, be it games, apps, or anything can be done from the Play Store. So there are a wide variety of options to choose in terms of the content. So these are available in the Google Play Store. You can use your account and download additional apps onto the TV. Now in terms of settings, you can see that you get the picture settings. So there are lots of options to customize in the picture. So picture mode, you can see the dynamic mode, a standard mode, natural, cricket, cinema, and the calibrated mode. So you get different modes based on what kind of content you're watching, and you can actually adjust the contrast, brightness, color, sharpness levels. You can also calibrate it. Now if you go to the sound settings, you also get different modes. You can see here sound modes included: standard, theater, sports mode, music, speech, late night, and you can also select speakers. The default JBL speakers is what we recommend, and you can see that true surround X and different options are included here in terms of sound experience. So you also get additional options like parental control, and you can basically customize this experience. Now in terms of display experience, Viu has been a pioneer in terms of the 4K Ultra HD series. They have TVs with great clarity in terms of pictures, deep blacks, and good contrast levels as well. Now the Viu Cinema Action TV also has a great display. It's a Pixelium technology with MEMC. This is the first Viu television to offer enhanced MEMC, which is motion estimation and motion compensation, which means this promises visuals which are completely free of any motion blur or judder. So Viu has developed this hardware and this is more or less a great experience for cinema lovers. The Action series offers up to 500 nits of brightness, which is again improved by the Pixelium glass technology, which optimizes the light reflections by 40%, thereby improving the brightness. So as you can see, the Viu Cinema Action TV series sports a stellar display. This is the 4K Ultra HD TV, and this offers great viewing angles, deep colors, and good brightness levels. Overall, the clarity looks really stunning, and if you're a person who loves watching content on OTT platforms or on your online media, this is one of the really good TVs out there for a great experience. Now apart from this 4K Ultra HD panel also supports full HDR, and it has 60 Hz refresh rate, and it also is HDR10 and Dolby Vision certified. Now Viu also has this picture calibration which is one of the really best in this price segment. So you get a really great immersive movie experience with this Cinema Action TV series. Now the Viu Cinema TV, the Action series, is powered by 1.4 GHz quad-core processor with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage, which means it gets you a very smooth Android 9 experience that's free from any sort of lag, and you actually can feel the smoothness of the overall experience with a powerful quad-core processor and 2 GB RAM. So even when you're switching apps from YouTube to Netflix or any other OTT platform, you won't see any sort of lag on this TV. Now another important aspect about the Viu Cinema Action TV series is the integrated soundbar, which is powered by JBL speakers, and it is designed for a thrilling cinematic experience. Now the total power output is a whopping 100 watts, and this is possible thanks to the 6 speaker custom tuned speakers to deliver a wide sound stage. Now the system also sports a noise cancellation technology that boosts vocals for better audio clarity. So the sound system is something which is really impressive with the DTS surround sound, and we'll just have a look at the sound experience. So here is the demo music which we tried on our TV, and this came out really impressive. So this is the remote which is included with the TV, and you can see that there is hotkeys for Netflix, YouTube, Google Play, Prime Video and Hotstar, and you get all the basic buttons including the support for Google Assistant, and there is also built-in Chromecast included on this TV. So the remote also is a very functional one and very simple and pretty good experience altogether. Now here is a quick comparison of the Viu 4K Cinema Action TV series compared with the LG and Samsung TVs in this price segment. So here is a rundown of the specifications, and you can see that Viu offers much better competitive specs, and also in terms of pricing it is much more affordable, and overall features are better than what is offered on the LG and Samsung TVs in this price segment. Now the Viu Cinema TV Action series is available in two sizes, 55-inch and 65-inch, and the 65-inch is what we tested, and the pricing is 49,999 for the 55-inch and 69,999 for the 65 inches, and both the models have a comprehensive warranty of 3 years and will be sold online exclusively on Flipkart.com as well as Amazon.in, and it will also be available at offline channel partners, and it's right now available across all the platforms. So that is a detailed aspect about the new Viu Cinema series, the Action TV series, which has been launched in two sizes with JBL 6 speakers, which produces immersive sound experience, a good 4K Ultra HD panel with good display, HDR10 and Dolby Vision certified, and you get an overall complete package with a great cinema experience. The truly cinema experience what you generally enjoy in a theater, you get at home with the new Viu Cinema TV series. So if you're looking for a new 4K Ultra HD TVs in the 55-inch or 65-inch, we highly recommend the Viu Cinema Action TV series with immersive sound experience. The 6 speaker JBL sound system provides a good experience, and also the 4K Ultra HD panel is definitely one of the best in this price segment. So that was the detailed aspects about the new 4K Cinema Action TV series from Viu. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll leave the links in the description of this video. In case you plan to buy this device, we'll share the links in the description. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.